Wait, put the glue in front.
Oh, we're running right now. Hello, everybody. Guess who's here today? Cowie. We're gonna do a little DIY,
Slime
right?
video.
You talk. What are we doing?
Slime.
And what type of slime are we making?
Glow in the dark.
Yeah. So we're gonna do a little glow-in-the-dark slime making, DIY. How do you do
Why
it?
do we got 2 bags?
Mm-hmm. Yep, and we got little bags you put the slime in when you're done. But this is Callie again, and welcome to FATV. Yeah, please subscribe, please like. This is just a little intermission episode.
And then you
And
can
Callie loves making slime. This is so overdone. I'm sorry, but this is so
we got
overdone.
to get this.
All right, this is how we make it. First of all, what do you do?
Open the glue
Okay.
and put it in the bowl.
Yeah, I take a little glue out first. We've been experimenting with this, haven't we?
It's
And we've had some big fails with the slime, making it different ways. Like maybe we should have just watched this is the sailing, right?
Yeah.
So I dumped out some of the
Glue.
glue. Okay.
You can obviously see it in the bowl.
Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Hold on. And then
Shake it
I
up.
put the sailing in there, shaking it real good.
And then we can also have this tiny
Yeah,
slime.
oops, some of it didn't come out so good. All right.
Ooh.
This is gonna be round 1 of the slime making. You're just gonna use our finger and this little stick for right now. And you have to what? You wanna mix it? You wanna do it?
Yeah.
You do it. This is your deal. This is her video.
It's splashy.
Yeah.
I wanna
Ooh,
use
look at how it's making bubbles. Should it be making bubbles? No?
I want to use my hands.
Oh, you want to use your hand? Let's put a little more sailing in there. Maybe a touch more glue, right?
And we need shaving cream.
Yeah, we're going to have to do the shaving cream. Yeah, you're going to use your hands after we do the shaving cream.
Why not we use this for the shaving cream?
Use what? All right, you do it. And you do the shaving
Shake
cream.
it up.
I hear this is the critical part. You don't want to put too much borax.
Oh,
So-
that shave cream.
Just a little bit of borax, not too much, right?
Just make sure, if it's in a ball, make sure to smush it and then put it in.
All right, so then what do we do now? I
You
figure
make sure, no.
we have to go quick, right?
I can't.
Okay.
I can't go quick. Ah! Feels like it's poisonous on you.
So then you have to really mix this up quick because it's got all the chemical reaction
Daddy,
ingredients.
stop.
Okay, you do it. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. See, I think mixing with the hands is the best way to do it.
Because, it's fun.
It's fun.
You should get messy.
Okay. Okay, look at this. Woo! Yeah! Already it's kind of like, that's good stuff, right? Is that the good stuff? Callie? Is that, yeah that's, okay, so that's the good stuff. And it glows, this one's glow in the dark. I guess Elmer's got a new product that I've never seen is glow in the dark. So we're gonna be a little different by making glow in the dark slime.
Because this is our first ever glow in the dark slime.
But I think part of the key is, I think when you're making it, get all that on there, sweetie. Get it all on there, press it in real good. Mix it all. Is when, to make decent slime, her hair's in my mouth. To make decent slime, you want to do it pretty quick. Pretty simple, right?
Easy. Some got in my mouth.
Don't eat it. Don't ever put it in your mouth. Don't eat it, right?
Don't get it near your mouth if you're
Okay. All right. Hold it. There you go. Hold it. Okay, let's go to the darkest room we got. We have a dark room, even though it's daytime.
Yes.
And Callie's friend Lily's gonna love this. Okay, we're in the bathroom, so we're gonna shut the door. You don't need to see the toilet. Callie's, it's not really all that glow in the dark. Oh,
You can see it.
Hold on.
Look at
I think we did it wrong.
it. The silk shaving cream.
Hold on. Put it next to. I think that you have to charge it by. Oh my God! What did I just do? Callie, don't. That's the way to charge it. Kids, today. Yeah, we're just using the phone to film right here. Okay, now turn it off. Wait, there it is. I can see it. It does indeed glow in the dark.
Wait, I want to see it. I can't see it.
You can't see it? Here, let's charge it again. Okay.
No, I want it. I can't.
You want to stand up there? Okay, let me help you up. Little action. All right, you hold it next to the light. So you charge it next to the light.
Charging it. It's charging. Tell me when it's done charging.
All right, hold it up all the way. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Turning it off. Pull it down. Oh, look at that! That's awesome! It really does glow. You can see it. Wow.
You can even see it in the mirror.
Yeah, you can. Wow. Okay, so what do we gotta do? Tell everybody goodbye for real this time. We are done. So.
Bye-bye.
And what? Say like.
Subscribe.
That's right. Subscribe, like, comment.
And make sure when the subscribe button's red, make sure it turns gray and click the bell.
That's right. She got it perfect. Callie, you did such a good job. This is Callie's first full-on video, what she wanted to do. Last time we made, what was it? St. Patrick's Day corned beef. We were cooking. This time Callie wanted to make slime. That was the video. She has a friend, Lily, who's in Canada right now, and she wants to send this to her. And I thought this would be really cute. So yeah.
Anytime we come back from Boston and Philadelphia, New York, and then she'll be back, and then we can show her the slime.
Yeah, so this was a fun time to make slime. But yeah, please like, subscribe,
and
comment.
It's summer.
And it's summer.
Comment down below if you like it.
Right. Say bye.
Bye.
Well, can you look at me and say bye?
Bye-bye.
There we go.
Subscribe and like the bell.
Yes. That's better. All right. We're still learning, aren't we, Callie?
Yeah.
All right. Bye, everybody.
Bye.